Here's Charlie building a lift kit for our mailbox, because our mail lady has issues because it's too short because her truck's too tall. I'm going to take the big box off and put the smaller one on. The big box doesn't close very well. And it looks like his is mounted from the inside, so I'm not for sure how this is going to work. I might have to come back and talk to him when he gets home. Of course, I believe they're delivering his mail, but not ours. Alright, Charlie's putting the final screws in. And we made this so he can put his mailbox on it too. Be the right height. But apparently his mailbox is screwed from the inside. So okay, there it is for now. Hopefully start delivering our mail again.